Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English with MJ. We are learning English is simple, practical, and fun. It's World Explorer Tuesday, and today we are learning a powerful word that helps you in school, work, and everyday life. Today's word is confidence. Let's find out what it means. Let's get started. Confidence is the belief that you can do something well or handle a situation successfully. It means believing in yourself and your abilities. Simple meaning, confidence means believing in yourself. Now, imagine your teacher asks you to read in front of the class. If you stand up, smile, read without being afraid, you are showing confidence. Confidence does not mean you are perfect. It means you believe you can try. Say this with me. Confidence. Again, confidence. One more time. Confidence. Excellent. Confidence is a noun. Remember, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Confidence is an idea or feeling, so it is a noun. Words that have similar meaning include self-belief, courage, assurance, boldness, faith in yourself. All these words mean confidence. Real life tips. Confidence grows with practice. The more you speak English, the more confident you become. Don't wait until you're perfect. Start speaking today. Correct answer. What does confidence mean? A. Being afraid. B. Believing in yourself. C. Giving up. The correct answer is B. Believing in yourself. Great job! Weekly challenge. Today, do one thing with confidence. Speak one sentence in English, read one paragraph aloud, or introduce yourself in English. Then leave a comment below using the word confidence in your own sentence. I did love to read it. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Easy English with MJ, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss a lesson. I will see you next Tuesday for another exciting World Explorer Tuesday. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking English with confidence. Bye.